Imagine dropping $600 and getting a phone that feels like it's punching way above its weight. Double the storage, MagSafe that actually sticks, and the kind of speed that makes Android mid-rangers look like they're stuck in 2023. This isn't some half-baked compromise. This is Apple finally fixing the E series, or is it? 1 month with the iPhone 17e, and I'm still asking myself the same question every time I pick it up. Is this thing a legit steal, or are we just settling in 2026? All right, let's talk about this little guy. We all expected Apple to drop the new iPhones in September like clockwork. Instead, they hit us with March Madness and quietly launched the iPhone 17e. No big event, no flashy stage, just boom, here's your new budget king. And honestly, it might be the smartest move they've made in years. After a full month of daily driving this phone, pockets, bags, coffee shops, late night scrolling, here's my real take. First off, the design. If you put the 17e next to the 16e, you'd be hard-pressed to tell them apart. Same 6.1-inch compact body. Same 169 grams. Same aluminum frame with that soft-touch glass back that feels premium without being slippery. It's still that pocketable size I actually love in a world of giant bricks. But Apple did sneak in one serious upgrade. Ceramic Shield 2 on the front. Man, this glass is a game changer. I've been switching between my iPhone 17 Pro and the 17e, and the difference is night and day. After a month of keys in the same pocket, no screen protector. The 17e still looks brand new, barely a micro scuff. If you hate screen protectors but hate scratches more, this might finally let you go naked. Just don't yeet it onto concrete. Colors are clean, black, white, and this really nice soft pink that doesn't scream basic. Feels mature. Now, the elephant in the room, or should I say the missing elephants. Still only one rear camera. Still 60 Hz. In 2026. Yeah, I said it. The display is that same 6.1-inch OLED. Beautiful colors, perfect blacks, but locked at 60 Hz. Coming from a 120 Hz Pro, it feels a little choppy when scrolling fast. And brightness? Still not great outdoors. I was squinting in direct sunlight more times than I'd like. At night, the lowest it goes is about 1.8 nits. Still a touch too bright for bed. Small complaints. But they add up when every other phone at this price is pushing higher refresh rates. But here's where things get exciting. This thing packs the A19 chip. Same as the regular iPhone 17, just with a 4-core GPU instead of 5. For everyday stuff, it's an absolute rocket. Apps open instantly, no stuttering, and Apple Intelligence features. When they actually fully roll out, feel snappy. Gaming? It handles Genshin and COD Mobile on high settings without breaking a sweat, though the Pro models will feel smoother in the most demanding titles. Benchmarks show about a 15% jump over the 16e in single core. That translates to buttery app launches, compared to the Pixel 9a or whatever Android mid-range you're considering. It's not even close. This is the fastest phone you can buy for $600, period. And storage? Finally, base model now starts at 256 gigabytes for the same $599 price. That's massive. I can't tell you how many times I've seen friends delete photos because they're 128 gigabytes filled up. This feels like Apple actually listening. Single 48 megapixel fusion camera on the back. It's the same lens as before, but with a smaller sensor, roughly half the size of the one in the regular iPhone 17. In good light, gorgeous. Natural colors, sharp details. That classic iPhone processing, I actually like. Portraits are improved too. Low light, you'll see more noise than on the pricier models. Video is still excellent up to 4K 60, but stabilization isn't quite as rocksteady as the Pro or even a regular 17. No customizable photographic styles, either. That's locked behind the higher models. Is it bad? No. Is it the best in class? For the price, yes. It still beats most Android phones in this range for consistency. Battery life has been solid. Same 4005 mAh cell, but better efficiency gives me around 6 hours 46 minutes in my mixed use tests, about 40 minutes better than the 16e. Real world? I'm easily getting through a full day with 20 to 30% left at bedtime. 20 watts wired charging is fine. But the real story? MagSafe is finally here. 15 watts magnetic charging feels so much more convenient. I can slap it on my car mount or nightstand charger, and it just works. Unboxing is classic Apple minimalism. Braided USB-C cable, SIM tool. If you get the global version, manual. No charger, no case. So after a month, is the iPhone 17 even a compromise? It depends on what you value. What I love, 256 gigabytes base storage is a game changer. MagSafe finally on the E, blazing fast for the price. Compact size that actually fits in small hands. That new Ceramic Shield 2 is legit tough. What still bugs me? Only one camera. 60 Hz in 2026 feels dated. No bigger size option. Screen brightness could be better. If you want a small, fast, reliable iPhone that gets software updates for years and years, and you live mostly in good lighting, this thing is fantastic. It's probably the best compact phone you can buy right now. But let's be real, most people want a bigger screen. If that's you, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE often goes on sale for less and gives you a triple camera setup and 120 Hz. The Nothing 4a Pro looks wild and has that bigger display with fun software. And the Pixel 10a? That might actually challenge the main camera. The iPhone 17e isn't perfect, but it's the least compromised budget iPhone Apple has ever made. At $600 with 256 gigabytes of MagSafe is an easy recommendation for anyone who wants iOS simplicity, top-tier performance, and that compact form factor. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem or just want something that feels premium without the premium price, go for it. You won't regret it. If you need a bigger screen or more cameras, there are better options. But for what it is, this little 17E is quietly one of the smartest buys of 2026. What do you think? Worth it? Or are you going bigger? Drop your thoughts below. If you want to see specific camera samples or battery tests side by side, let me know and I'll make a follow-up. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.